In the first year of our remanufacturing service, we've already had a huge impact, ranging at sites from custodial to leisure. We've succeeded in remanufacturing over 1,000 luminaires, and that's been equivalent to keeping 3.4 tonnes of waste out of the recycling stream and saving 55 tonnes of carbon dioxide equivalent. Egg Lighting is a commercial lighting organisation. We're based in Glasgow in Scotland, and we supply lighting to Scotland and the northeast of England. We've got customers from private sector, public sector, covering a large variation of size, including Edinburgh Leisure, Aberdeenshire Council, Forth Electrical Services, the Scottish Prison Service, among others. In 2022, we launched our lighting remanufacturing service, and in that we take a used product and remanufacture it to an as new or better performance. One of the real benefits of remanufacturing is that because we keep some of the components in use, we're able to save cost. What we try and do is invest that back into the performance of the product.
Our remanufacturing service generally involves us doing a short study on the suitability of the customer's lighting for remanufacturing. Raytheon approached us with a very unique problem. They had purchased a sophisticated lighting system. Unfortunately, the company that provided it went into liquidation, and as a result they shut down their servers, and when they shut down their servers it meant that Raytheon lost control of the lighting system. So they ended up with a lighting system that was very energy efficient but was on 24/7 when it didn't need to be. So we got approached and asked to see if we could provide a solution, and we did that using our Bluetooth mesh multi-tool. We were able to take over the control of the lighting system. The system at Raytheon will benefit them towards their net zero goals in a variety of ways and provide £48,000 worth of savings per annum in terms of the operational savings, and it paid for itself in 4 months.
Zero Waste Scotland has been instrumental in promoting understanding and uptake of circular economy and sustainable business models. They've really helped us communicate the benefits of our circular business models with our customers, and they've also helped us with our own internal education, because we can really learn from other companies involved in the same space and pick up inspiration from them. I think the more information we share and the more understanding that we gain as an industry, whether that's through first-hand experience or working with partners, the better we'll be able to design the next generation of products. Products that this time aren't designed for a single use case, but are actually designed for multiple lifetimes, circular economy products. Even though we're remanufacturing products, we can't assume the environmental impact we're having. So we use an industry standard measurement technique called CeeD TM65. And in doing that, it's a life cycle assessment approach of the luminaire that we remanufacture. So we understand the embodied carbon in great detail.
We all know that things should be built to last, but we find ourselves faced with great advances in technology, and we want to benefit from them. That approach I think would have value to a lot of companies, where they can look at, okay, how can we marry together technological advances with our products and effectively make them upgradable.
So I'd really recommend that organisations look at their environmental hotspots, and that first step might just be measurement and interrogating their internal operations, but also really engaging with their customers to understand what areas of their needs maybe aren't being met or could be met better. It's where those elements, the environmental impacts and the needs of their customers, can be brought together into a solution that a new business model can really be revolutionary for an organisation.